Okay, so this is what it looks like for members. This is the onboarding space and the announcement space, calendar of events, recommended resources. And then for members, I have a community learning group. So it's all about the community powered type learning. So there's a discussions and feedback space, a Zoom room space for our 24/7 Zoom room, live workshops and events. And then I have another group of spaces for self-paced learning. And then that's the course. Here's workshop and event replays for the self-paced learning. And then a tools and resources page. And then I also have a track your progress group. So goal checks, progress logs, and a leaderboard. And then lastly, I have the frequently asked questions, get help section.